Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a recurring affiliate program. This is brand new, and I wanted to let you guys know about it because you can make some really good money with this. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. This is a little bit different than most products that I review or affiliate programs. This one is in the fitness and health niche, and I think it's the best affiliate program that I've seen. I've been a physical therapist for 29 years, and so I know a lot about fitness and nutrition, and I will say this is a really good program to promote. It's called the Lions Pack, and again, it just came out. They were testing it for a year before they allowed affiliates to promote it because they wanted to make sure it converted. So it does convert. The creators are Jonathan and Alicia Montoya. They just had a baby. Congratulations. She is so cute. But a little bit about them. Jonathan has had 10 years experience in the health and fitness industry, so he really knows what he's talking about. Alicia has her BS in nutrition and dietetics, so she really knows what she's talking about as well. Let's talk about the product and how much you're going to get paid. So there's 3 different funnels we'll talk about here in just a second and how much you're going to get paid. But let's take a look at the membership area. This is what you're going to be promoting. So they have this 7-day challenge. That's going to be the front end offer. And they said that when they were testing this out, the only people that didn't keep their monthly membership was because they didn't really understand what to do. So now they have this 7-day fitness challenge checklist. So when they get in there, it tells them exactly what to do. Okay, setting goals. And so that's really good. So they know the direction they're supposed to take in here. So they have the welcome. They're going to have their weekly meal plan. 2 different kinds if they want to lose fat or build muscle. So they've got the weekly meal plan, and then they've got the workout for either building muscle or losing fat. 3-day weekly workout. Then they have where you can get ideas of how you would order at a restaurant and still eat well. They have the cookbook, which is really good for all different kinds. I mean, breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, desserts. Then they have the Lion's Den workout, home workouts, the ebook, How to Lose Weight in 7 Easy Steps, and the truth about intermittent fasting and keto. So this is the membership site. And then they have a Facebook group, which is for accountability, and that's really good because I think a lot of times people need that motivation and accountability to keep on track. So that's what the membership looks like. It's really good. Okay, let's talk about how much money you can make to promote this membership site. So they have 3 different funnels. The first one is a 7-day challenge funnel, and that's the main product that you can promote. And with this funnel, people will be going through the 7-day trial of the online fitness and coaching program. And so then once they go through the trial, they're going to get billed monthly. So you're going to earn recurring commissions on the membership product of either $27 or the $47 a month. And then they do have an upsell for $197. That's the lifetime membership. So you're going to earn 50% on that. And then they've got 50% on the one-time upsell restaurant guide for $27. So they have a really good funnel. Let me show you. Okay, this is what their funnel looks like for the 7-day challenge funnel. And it does convert really well. So you can see they can tell exactly what they're getting with this. And then they have some testimonials down here. So it's a really, really good funnel here. The second funnel that you can promote is the keto ebook funnel. And so they're going to have the ebook on the front end, and then the back end they're selling the membership site again. So you're going to get $427 on the ebook, and then the same thing on the back end for the recurring commission on the membership product and the upsells. And then the third funnel they have is the macro calculator funnel, and that's going to be the front end. And then again, the back end is the same, 27, 47, 197, and 27. Then they have some really great affiliate resources. Right here, let's see, you can use these videos in your ads. So they've got all kinds of videos here. And then they've got the email swipes. There's 14 email swipes that are really good. I read through these that convert really well. So that's all part of your affiliate resources. And then they have videos on how to get free traffic from YouTube, how to get free traffic from blogging, and then the solo ad traffic will be coming soon. And they do have a Facebook group as well to help you with marketing this business, or this membership site, should I say. So I think it's a really good recurring affiliate program because, like I said, a lot of people need to lose weight or get in shape. I mean, most people you talk to probably are not at their ideal weight or in the best shape that they want to be. So it's something that can apply to pretty much everyone. And I would say YouTube is a really great way to market this product. And again, he does have training on that as well. But I was going to say the more specific you get on a YouTube channel, so if you start a channel about health and fitness, that's way too broad. You want to really find a very specific niche, like intermittent fasting and keto diet or something like that. Just the more specific it is, the better. But I was going to say a great way to find topics for your channel is to go to a website called answerthepublic.com. And I just typed in how to lose weight, and what this will come up with is what people are asking, what kind of questions people ask around that particular topic. So if you come in here, you'll see that doesn't even make sense. How to lose weight at home, which exercise to lose weight fast, how to lose weight in a day, how to lose weight overnight. I mean, there's all kinds of questions that people ask, and you can create videos around all these questions that people are asking. So I just wanted to give you that as an idea of how you might market this affiliate product. Again, YouTube is great, and then Jonathan has some other ideas for you in the affiliate section there. So that's just an idea for a recurring affiliate program, because if you can sell something to somebody and they're going to continue to use that membership every month, which I think they definitely would with this product, then you're going to build up that recurring affiliate commissions that you want to do the work one time and continue to get paid over and over again. So hope you guys found some value in this recurring affiliate program. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. So if you want to sign up for this affiliate program, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the second link. Third link is how to build a profitable YouTube channel. You can check those links out as well if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrow signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.